Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Norris. It's December 4th, it's Friday, and has the federal government raised the limits in your city in California? That and much more as we talk about the biggest headlines in real estate. Pending home sales increased 0.2% in October after having shown a decrease the last couple months. CoreLogic reported a 6.8% increase in home prices nationwide year over year in October. Sales of distressed homes is also decreasing and are now at 9.7%. Commercial and multifamily delinquency rates decreased in the third quarter according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. And Freddie Mac reported that there's been a decrease in mortgage rates. 30-year rates now at 3.93% and 15-year rates at 3.16%. Stocks are having a fun day today because November added more jobs than expected, placing further speculation that the economy is now strong enough to increase interest rates. Yellen says household spending growth has been solid in 2015, supported by an increase in real estate and stock portfolios, and debts have been reduced. So we'll know more at the Fed meeting in mid-December. The Federal Reserve made a final unanimous decision to not repeat their tactics for bailing out American and International Group, Inc. and Bear Stearns back in 2008. It will only help on a larger, broader scale if 5 or more banks need bailing out at the same time. There's been lots of preventative measures put in place because of Dodd-Frank, so we've sort of been working on this the last 8 years, so it's nothing new, but now it's more formal. Quicken Loans, the country's third largest mortgage lender, is now considering whether or not to exit the FHA loan program on complaints on how it's handling bad loans and how they're resolved. B of A, Wells Fargo, and JMP Morgan have already lessened their involvement in these loans, but FHA doesn't really care that much because 80% of current FHA loans are originated from non-bank lenders, so what are you going to do? The Federal Housing Finance Agency released its conforming loan limits late last month. FHFA will continue to limit the amount of funding to $417,000 next year, but has increased the limits in 39 high-cost counties. Those that made the cut in California, San Diego, Carlsbad, Santa Rosa, Salinas, and Napa, with the NorCal counties getting a little bit more of a bump than San Diego. So sorry, LA, Orange County, and San Francisco, you didn't make the cut. So will the new limits have a crunch on you in 2016? If you're on YouTube, comment and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're on Facebook, just leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more real estate headlines, don't forget to check out our blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. There are a ton more there. So up on the radio show this week, we have the final installment of I Survive Real Estate. If you haven't watched it, you can always go to isurviverealestate.com, or you can rewind and watch or listen to all the different podcasts that we have. There's 7 in total. And we raised $75,000 for Make-A-Wish in St. Jude with your help this year. December 8th, Stay Put, Cash Out, or Change Seats. It's all new talk. Bruce Norris is going to be launching that at SDCIA, their holiday party, typically one of the biggest events all year for the real estate investment community. January 5th, we're going to be in LA doing the same talk at Prosperity Through Real Estate. And then January 12th, we'll be at the Coachella Valley RIA out in Palm Desert. Won't want to miss that if you're in the Inland Empire. It's going to be the closest we're going to get in a while. February 6th, mark your calendar. We're going to be doing Cashing In on a Boom. If you're looking for buying strategies in the current market, you're not going to want to miss this. It's for subscribers only. And if you are a subscriber, you get a huge discount on the course. So check that out. With that, if you want more information on hard money loans, fix and flip, buy and hold, or new construction hard money lending, check out thenorrisgroup.com. Or if you're interested in passive investing with the Norris Group, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.